Hey, do you think learning English is important nowadays?
Definitely. English became one of the most useful skills in the world.
I agree. Almost everything online uses English now.
Exactly. Movies, business, technology, education, English is everywhere.
Even social media content mostly uses English.
Which is why many people are trying to improve their speaking skills. Learning English can create many opportunities, honestly, especially for jobs and international communication. Have you always been interested in learning English? Not really. At first, I learned because of school.
Same here.
But later, I realized how useful it actually is. Understanding English makes the internet feel much bigger. Exactly. Suddenly, you can access millions of videos, books, and courses. It's almost like unlocking another world. That's actually a perfect description. Speaking English also builds confidence, especially when talking with people from different countries. I used to feel nervous speaking English, honestly. Same. I was afraid of making mistakes. But mistakes are part of learning any language. Exactly. Nobody becomes fluent without practice. The biggest problem is fear sometimes. Fear stops many people from improving. Social media actually helps people practice English now. Definitely. Videos, podcasts, conversations, learning became easier online. Watching English movies also helps a lot, especially with subtitles. Music helps too, honestly. Yeah, songs improve pronunciation naturally. What do you think is the hardest part of learning English? Probably speaking confidently. I agree. Listening and reading feel easier sometimes because speaking requires quick thinking. Exactly. Your brain has to translate instantly. Practice is the only solution, honestly. Daily conversations help a lot. Even talking to yourself in English can improve fluency. That sounds funny, but true. Language learning is mostly consistency. Small progress every day becomes huge later. Very true. English is also important for traveling. Definitely. It's basically an international language now. You can communicate in many countries using English, which makes traveling less stressful. Business opportunities also increase with English skills, especially online work and freelancing. Many international clients prefer English communication. Exactly. Technology and AI are making English even more important now because most tools